The Airstream Classic is one of the most expensive travel trailers that money can buy. So we're gonna find out, is it worth it? Or I wanna know from you really, if you think it's worth it. And then this model here in particular has a really interesting layout. So let's go take a look. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. For y'all that are new here, my name is Myles with Firmly Unbound, and if you are a returning, wow, can't speak today. If you are a returning viewer here at the Tampa RV show, I can't speak because I have filmed so many RVs already, and I've been live on TikTok, running around showing RVs on live streams on TikTok, so many different things going on. But we are taking a look for the first time ever on this channel at an Airstream Classic. This thing here is really impressive, and I don't have the model number here in front of me, so I'll have to put that information on the screen here. But right away as we get into this video, what you need to know about Airstreams, they are so expensive because these things are basically built like an airplane on wheels, essentially. So if you were to take a lot of the construction you get in an airplane and then just put some wheels on it and call it a trailer, that's essentially what an Airstream is. You can see how it is like a silver bullet going down the road. That's because this is all aluminum framing here, and it never fails. There's like dozens of other RVs around here to take a look at, and they always want us to take a step into the one that I'm filming. Happens every time, every single time. But nonetheless, looks like you could fit 30 or even 40-pound propane bottles up front here in this compartment. I don't know if it'll, oh, it is open. Let's see. While they're on the inside. There we go. Okay, yeah, two 30-pound propane bottles in there up front. Aluminum casing around those propane bottles here for the storage up front. And then you have a nice storage space down underneath here. Let's turn this light on so we can see a little better down underneath there. So some storage space down underneath there. And then as you come along this way, you're gonna have your windows up front. All these on here should be, looks like this is gonna be a dual pane window up front here with how those are set up. And then you'll have more storage space down underneath here as well. Some windows along this side. Plus you have your awning that goes pretty much the entire length of the travel trailer here. And again, this is the Airstream Classic. So this is their top of the line Airstream product that they have to offer. Come to the back, you have your window off the back. It has an awning that covers that window as well. And you have a camera off the back here. You're going to have your brake lights. It does have a little reverse light function built into it as well, it looks like. And then more storage back underneath here that we can get into. Nice. Just a little storage compartment. But you can see like everything on this door is all aluminum, the whole construction of this. So just imagine, I mean, I don't know how much aluminum costs by the pound and then to construct it into the shape that you need, but I mean, everything on here is aluminum. So that is part of what makes this so expensive. And then you can just imagine just how long this is gonna stand up to the test of time being complete aluminum construction. I mean, I don't know what's gonna come through and mess that up, you know? It just is gonna look really good for a long time. That's why there's so many Airstreams on the road that are 10, 20, even 30 years old, that the shell, even if you stripped everything out, is still worth a lot of money because it is just going to last. Come to this side and you're going to have, it looks like your black and gray tank dump valves here. Now this underneath here, okay, the tanks are still enclosed underneath there. They're just in like an aluminum casing underneath here. It's nice, even like the base of this RV is all aluminum underneath there. So everything sits up in that aluminum, up in the aluminum casings down underneath there. This looks like gonna be your plugs for cable and city water connection, freshwater tank fill there. And you come down this way, 50 amp power cord. You have your outdoor shower. Looks like this is a spot here for potable water there. And then your extend and retract for your electric stabilizers. More storage up here. And then let's look at the exact specs on this model. As the cargo carrying capacity is 1,266 pounds. And the weight of this trailer is unloaded 8,734 pounds. Gross vehicle weight rating is 10,000 pounds. So yeah, definitely would recommend a 3/4 ton truck for this. This looks like it's a 33-foot model from what I'm looking at. So all the floor plan layouts and specs should have been at the beginning of the video though, as I don't have that information here right in front of me, but I will get it and put it on there. So as we walk inside here, the first thing that really stands out in this particular model, first of all, Real quick, before we step inside of this RV, there's something that I'm really excited to talk to y'all about, and I actually want to ask you for a favor. So if you've been here for a while, you know that I pretty much never ask y'all of anything, but I'm going to right now because I started my second YouTube channel, which is called Firmly Unbound. Firmly Unbound is the name of my company, and Firmly Unbound is an expression of exploration and freedom in work, play, and faith. And I'm really excited about what's to come on this YouTube channel. There's a link down below in the description of this video and in the comments as well, where you can subscribe to Firmly Unbound. And I pretty much spent the whole last month traveling dang near coast to coast across the United States to show you what it means to live firmly unbound. So some exciting video content is coming. Can't wait to see y'all there. I don't know if you could hear that, but you have a doorbell in case you hopefully could hear that there. And then up front, you're going to have 2 twin beds. So this is different because most Airstreams are going to come with a traditional style bed. In this model here, you're getting twin beds, and these classics come with nice memory foam mattresses. So these are coming with a real nice premium mattress there. Real nice bedding that it comes with also. Let's kind of make this bed so it looks a little bit more presentable. These are both tilting twin beds as well. And I don't know if there's any functionality to like bring these together to make it all one bed. Wow, storage up underneath there. Glad I lifted that to see that. So you have hidden storage down underneath there, and drop that down. Even like little storage pocket here that can be utilized. Drawers underneath here that will open up. All solid wood construction on here. No dovetail on these drawers though, but it is all solid wood on those drawers. And then you have storage up above here, and it should be noted too, I mean, the lighting in here is just really warm and just feels relaxing. I mean, this lighting in here will put you to sleep. It is so relaxing in here. It's so nice. Soft close on those cabinets. LED light up here as well. Vent fan up above me, and it does have a little shade here as well, so you can block out that light. Then you have a TV in here. Nice big windows. Another additional window right here, it looks like. Yep. Can actually just go ahead and leave that open. TV there, tilt controls for your bed, and wardrobe storage / adjustable shelving through here. Soft close on your cabinets. You have your lights up in here, and then you have controls here for different light functions, fans, your vent, things like that. Looks like it even has a sleep mode. Interesting. That's kind of cool. Hit sleep mode and it just leaves that one light on there. Oh, and I accidentally turned on the vent fan. There we go. Okay, let's turn everything else back on. Okay, cool. So then you walk back out. You have a privacy door here, so you'll have the door that will close, so you'll have your privacy. But I'm curious what y'all think about the twin bed option. We're starting to see more and more of this in travel trailers from a lot of different brands. Also should have showed, have some storage here and solid surface countertops on that. But curious what you think about the twin bed option in this Airstream, if that's something that you find practical or not. And of course, if this isn't your jam, there's going to be other Airstream models out there that do not have twin bed options. This here, or I guess they'll have the option, but it's not going to be a twin bed that you have to get in an Airstream like this. Leather on here. I don't think it's a real leather, but whatever it is so incredibly buttery smooth. Oh, it's so just, it just feels so nice. Feels so nice. Your table here will collapse down so this can make into a bed. You can see that function. Excuse me. See that function there? You'll be able to have a solid surface table there. Gosh, that thing is rock solid too. Like you really can't move it, which is not common. All aluminum throughout the interior. So aluminum sidewalls, it wraps all the way around the aluminum ceiling panel. Storage space up here. This is all solid wood construction on your cabinets and drawers. And then there's multiple different interior color options with Airstream as well. So if you don't like this white and gold, you're certainly not confined to that, as they will have multiple different options. If you want to see more options, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'll be filming many different Airstream models that are out here, including like their Pottery Barn collab that they did. And then there's also multiple different floor plans and color options, multiple different tiers of quality. This is a classic we're in. They also have Globetrotters here. Many different brands from Airstream. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that stuff. As you come along this way, really nice looking appliances that you have. You get this 3-burner stove here, and then you're going to have down underneath here, this is basically like a microwave, but it also has what looks like probably like an air fryer, convection oven option on it, and different things there. Yeah, you can see, actually looks like it's an oven. think it's more of an oven than a microwave, but it has a popcorn function too. So it looks like this is just kind of doing it all. So really nice what they use there. Pull out storage underneath here, kind of snaps shut on its own. Pull out storage here with another additional little spot there for utensils. Again, this is all solid wood throughout here. And all these doors, they just snap shut. Nice big storage underneath here. And there's also little rubber protecting pieces so it doesn't just slam into that. Outlets here, vent fan venting out your smells there. Storage up over this space. I think we looked at that already. But that runs all the way along this whole entire side there. It's also lit here. And the lights will come on as soon as you open the door. Nice stainless steel sink. Big, deep stainless steel sink there. Sorry, I meant stainless steel faucet. And then you have a nice big stainless steel sink down through here. Really like the countertop color that they went with in this model. It's an interesting contrast with the white cabinets and the gold handles. It's a really interesting take on that. Storage down underneath here. Got a spot for your trash can and a pull-out drawer right there. Now as you come this way, this one is giving you a little desk setup, which I think is pretty cool. But what's really neat is you have a drop-down screen right here since there is no TV in this travel trailer, and you get a projector over here. So you have a projector set up. I hope this is a 4K projector. It says it's an LG, but it doesn't give me the resolution. I'm sure it's a 4K projector. Storage up around here, your sofa here, obviously. And then this here is that same buttery smooth material. And let's see. Okay, these are recliners. Awesome. So these will recline. You can see how it's reclining there. It just is not gonna lay back flat from what I see. So just the recline function on those. Should have a flip down cup holder in the middle. Or just a flip down spot here to store things. I haven't got to play around with this too much and I don't wanna like mess anything up, you know what I mean? Plus I'm working with one hand, just making sure there's nothing else behind here that I'm not missing. Really nice looking curtains here. I love the way those curtains look. And you can see how those kind of raise up there. Wow, I really like the way those curtains look. That's such a cool idea too. As I look up, you have some nice skylights here that are letting some natural light in. Max air vent fan here as well, and then your AC. ACs are ducted throughout this travel trailer, and you have an AC here and here, so really gonna help keep this thing cool. And then you have a little like pocket storage area over here. Touchscreen control panel right there. This is your Aldi heating system, so it's going to use like a radiant heating system and a tankless on-demand water heater. Speakers are right here next to the sofa, so that's kind of interesting, having them more at like an ear level almost, or a little bit higher than an ear level, but not in the roof or in the ceiling. And then, oh, and here's your other one right there. I was looking around for the other one. And I didn't show the storage down through here because you do have some big storage for this kind of desk setup area down through here. Bose soundbar as well, and I don't know what's underneath there, but they don't have handles on it, so it's probably like electrical equipment or stuff you don't need to get to. Right here, this is your galley light right there. There, turns that on and off, USB ports, and multiple different spots to plug things in there with that flip up outlet. And then it will come with this little, oh, it's a rolling chair even. Oh, I love that. It rolls around, that's so cool. And there's storage down underneath there. Oh, that's sweet. That is cool. So yeah, you have a rolling chair there for the desk space. Then as you come back this way, there is a huge closet in here. And this closet has this clothing rod up here that you have. The lights, I'm not sure where the light switch is, but I think this is a cedar wood lined spot right here for that closet. Oh, here we go. Wardrobe lights right there. So you have your wardrobe, that's sliding glass doors here. So you'll have 2 glass doors so you can see yourself in this space as well. Drawers that pull out down underneath here, and then you'll have this door that closes for your privacy, obviously. Even like, look at that handle. Handle is really nice even. That door is also very heavy. And this is one of the bigger bathrooms you're going to see in an Airstream travel trailer. Nice bowl sink in the corner. Storage down underneath here. Looks really nice through there. Soft close cabinets again. Keep that in mind. And where'd my shower lights go? Oh no. Where's the light? There's lights in this light, but I don't remember. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, we weren't even getting the full effect, y'all. My goodness. Oh my gosh. As you come back again. So there's lights that turned on right here along this vanity. You do have a nice spot here, like if you're sitting on the toilet, you get a nice view of yourself right there. So that's kind of interesting. And then this will open up. You have storage through there, adjustable shelving. And then you turn around this way. And this shower, although it's like a corner shower, you can see it kind of goes squared off back into that end. So it's kind of like a square slash or rectangle slash corner shower, as this is the only curved part of it. And then the rest of it is kind of like a 3 sides to a rectangle. So really nice there. Adjustable height shower head. Really nice. That's like a solid material right there. And then of course the whole rest of it is all the aluminum. And you have some spots here to hang, or not to hang, to put your soaps and whatnot. Plus this here will go across to there, like so, and give you a line to hang things to dry. 2 different LED lights in this space, so it really lights up that space nicely. And again, adjustable shower height head. Height in this area in general has got to be at least like 6'7", 6'8". So really nice with that. And that is this Airstream Classic. Again, as of me filming this right now, I don't know the exact model number on this, but I will have it obviously by the time I upload this video. I just didn't take the time to go find it before I started filming because there's just so much to film with this RV show that I'm so excited to show you. I just jumped right into it. But this is an Airstream Classic here. Very curious what your thoughts are. And this thing, the MSRP on it is gonna start at $191,000. That's just what's listed on their website. Now this thing likely realistically will probably sell closer to like the 160, 170 range, I would think. But that's not for sure. I'm not for sure on that. So you would have to contact an Airstream dealer to get exact pricing information. But I want to know your thoughts. Do you think it's worth the money? Do you think it's something that you could see yourself traveling in? And are you interested in an Airstream? Is this something that you have aspirations to own? Let me know down below in the comments. And that's all I got for y'all. Until next time, live firmly unbound.